Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So, as it's coming up to winter, sticky toffee pudding is an all-time favourite of mine. It's incredible. If you've never made it before, this is the perfect time to make this delicious pudding. Perfect for winter. It's comforting, it's warming, it's delicious. This recipe is so easy, guys. So basic and straight to the point. The only equipment that you will need is a stick blender and a deep saucepan. That is it. Let's get started. This is what sticky toffee pudding is all about. Fresh dates. Here I've got 200 grams of fresh dates, which I've removed all the pips. Make sure you do the same, unless you want to break a tooth, because that's how dangerous it is. Just place them into the saucepan. And by the way guys, all the measurements for this recipe are going to be in the description down below, so you can follow along with me at home too. And add the water to that, along with some butter. Get some golden syrup, delicious. And add about a tablespoon, there, that much. And a tablespoon of black treacle as well, along with a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. That's going to give the nice bubbles in the sticky toffee, plus it will give it a nice chewy texture, but it will also help break down the dates, which is very important. Now we're going to bring this to the boil and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes to soften, to melt all the ingredients down and soften the dates as well. Very important. Just give it a mix so you evenly incorporate the ingredients. Now, you're just going to blend it until smooth. Here, I've got my flour and my baking powder all mixed in. I've sifted it. I always recommend you sift your baking powder and your flour together, so then the baking powder gets evenly distributed throughout the flour, which will make the sticky toffee pudding rise evenly. And here I've got 2 eggs and some soft brown sugar. That's also going to add to the stickiness, which is going to give it a great texture. Now you're going to add half the amount of sugar, 1 egg, half the amount of flour. That will make it easier to incorporate. Then add in the rest and blend it until it's completely smooth. Now pour your batter into your repair tray, which has been greased and lined with non-stick parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees and you're going to bake this for approximately 40 minutes until when you insert a skewer into the center of the cake, it comes out completely clean. Just keep in mind though, all ovens are different. Yours might take more or less time depending on your oven. Guys, have a look at that. Jeez, got a nice spring to it. But this is the test. This is when you know it's cooked. Stick it straight into the center, and once you remove it, it should be clean. When this is cooling down, it's going to continue to cook, so keep that in mind as well. Now guys, I'm going to show you a great sticky toffee / caramel sauce to pour over the top of your sticky toffee pudding. This is delicious, so easy. So right here, I've got some butter, some double cream, some golden syrup, and some soft brown sugar. We're just going to add all these to this saucepan right here. Guys, this sauce is so easy. We're just going to cook this until the butter and the sugar have completely dissolved, and then you're done. So I recommend placing it on about medium heat and stirring it so nothing catches on the bottom of the pan. This is totally optional, but I'm going to add a bit of vanilla. Goes really well with this sauce. Just a little bit though. Stir that in. Beautiful. Whoa, look at that, guys. Guys, it's time to cook this thing now. Let's see how we've done. Give it a slice. Oh, delicious. Guys, come on, let's see this. Pour the toffee sauce over it. Oh, absolutely delicious. Let's see how it's done, shall we? Let's see. Wow. Guys, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and go down to the bottom there and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that notification button as well, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you didn't know, it's every week, so you don't want to miss out. That's it for today, guys. Take care. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.